Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin and the overall crypto market, and give you guys a quick update on where I think we are headed. Let's hop into this video. So right now Bitcoin is trading at $27,470, just slowly making its way up, basically a sideways chop kind of day so far, up about 0.14%. Bitcoin dominance level trading at 49.76%. When you exclude stablecoins, we are trading at 51.76%, guys. Bitcoin dominance level is going to increase as we get closer and closer to this halving. That's what I'm seeing. That's my theory. I'm seeing liquidity move out of these altcoins and slowly make its way into Bitcoin. This happens every single cycle, especially at the end, the last year of the cycle, the year of accumulation, leading up to the Bitcoin halving, and that's exactly what's happening. When we look over at Bitcoin, you can see we've come up and we've tested the $28,200 price level, which is a very, very important level in my opinion. I really want to see a continuation. I would like to see us make a daily or weekly candle close above this price level to give me some sort of confirmation that we're going to see bullish continuation to test 32,700. I wouldn't be surprised if we get around the $30,000 price level by the end of October, but I will also say, guys, we're chopping around. This is the year of accumulation. I expect lots and lots of channel chop with some capitulations to the downside, with some big moves to the upside as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. But all in all, I'm expecting very, very minimal price movement with a little side of panic, say, to a test of 21,600 with some time capitulation. Would not be surprised to see something like that, especially when we zoom out and look at previous cycles when we had this big capitulation event here. And we also had this big capitulation event back in, 2015 leading up to the Bitcoin halving. It wasn't nearly as drastic as the other ones because the other ones were induced by quote-unquote black swan events. But I am leaning towards the idea that we are going to be having another little shakeout before we are truly off to the races. Guys, I kind of want to talk about something today about how, in my previous videos a couple weeks ago, I talked about how in 2020, American savings accounts had a total amount of $2.1 trillion. And as of July of 2023, this year, the total was $198 billion. And I'm seeing a lot of people over on Twitter, on crypto Twitter, talking about how where's this money going to come from for this next bull market? Where is this coming from? Bitcoin's over, crypto's over. There's two things I want to pull from that. One, this happens every single cycle when people are saying it's over. No one cares about crypto anymore. No one cares. Guys, that is the last phase before we really have a nice move to the upside. You need people to think that crypto is over. You need people to think that nobody cares about it anymore. You need nobody to care about it anymore. And if you're the one that's still around when nobody cares about it and you're buying, that's how you get to ride the wave from, say, 21,000 to 100,000. That's how you get on that ground floor. But where will the money come from? If all of the retail doesn't have any money left because of cost of living, inflation destroying people, interest rates destroying the markets, where's this money going to come from? Well, in my opinion, I think that the retail is going to have to capitulate. I think that the majority of people are going to have to continue to sell their crypto. If everyone hasn't sold already, I expect more retail to capitulate and sell to afford their cost of living. And where will the money come from? Say at 21,000 or even 19,000. When we're trading sideways for an extended period of time, for another year, maybe. It's going to come from the institutions, guys. They're going to buy when retail can't buy. They are going to clean up and sweep the floor when retail can't buy. They are going to buy the lows, and max pain will be when Bitcoin starts to make its way up and retail can't afford to enter. Until we're already at, say, 50,000, 45,000, maybe even 60,000. Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved. There's no money from retail to be filed in. Or the majority can't. The institutions layer in. That's what I think is going to happen. That's my opinion. Let me know if I'm crazy in the comment section below. But it is a very, very looming data point that Americans are running out of money very, very fast. And I know it's not, that statistic is just solely for Americans' savings accounts. But I know that it's not just like that in America. I know that's happening everywhere around the world, guys. I know that that's happening. Time will tell. There's going to be some very, very pivotal moves. Let's take a look over at Crocoin because Crocoin is trading sideways. I want to give you a quick update on this. I expect very, very similar things to happen. If Bitcoin reaches 30,000 by the end of the month, maybe we'll make our way back to about 5.5 cents. But I do believe that Bitcoin dominance level is going to increase significantly. So maybe we don't get too close to 5.5 cents. Maybe we don't break above it, but I do think that we'll probably have a little bit more upside. But all in all, guys, you're going to hate it when I say it, but I expect more chop with a potential of a new low of 4.5 cents, maybe even 4 cents, depending on when and how far we come down on Bitcoin if we do have another capitulation event leading into the halving, guys. But that is my 2 cents. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm really active over there. I like to post things that are on my mind, and I can just let them out and get your guys' thoughts and opinions on it. I really like talking and having a back and forth with you guys. It's a lot of fun. But go follow me there, 333Blacksea. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member each and every month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Super excited about that. Love giving back to you guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.